Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our science online class. Children, already we have completed 11 lessons. So, in today's class, we are not going to learn any new lesson. Let's revise the lessons what we have learned. And today, I am going to revise 3 lessons: materials from the earth, building houses, matter and its states. Materials from the earth. Children, what we learned in this lesson? We learned about some materials that come from the earth. Children, what are materials? The different types of stuff we use to make things are called materials. And we learned about clay, stone, metals and glass. Clay. Children, why we are using clay? Clay is used to make pots, vases, storage bins, cement, bricks, etc. Then you know what is pottery? The things made out of clay are called pottery. Children, how is pottery made? To make pottery, clay is first cleaned and mixed with bone ash. Then the clay is molded or given shape. Okay. Then it is baked in an oven called kiln to make it stronger. And this is called firing. Then final, the pottery is coated with polish. This is called glazing. Children, clay is used to make bricks and cement also. Then how is bricks made? To make bricks, clay is cleaned and mixed with water. And things like sand, ashes and iron are added. Then what are the things used to make cement, children? Cement is made by heating a mixture of clay, limestone and water. Stone. Children, there are different types of stones are there. Some stones are very hard and some are very soft and some are very precious. You know what is mining? Digging for stones and other things are called mining. Tunnels and holes dug into earth to take out stones, metals and coal are called mines. The stones like granite, marble, slate, limestone, they are very hard. So they are used to make buildings and also used to cover floors to make tabletops, etc. And some stones like diamond, ruby, emerald and sapphire are very valuable. So they are called precious stones or gems. And stones like topaz, garnet are less valuable. They are called semi-precious stones. These stones are used to make jewelry. Precious and semi-precious stones are used to make jewelry. Then diamond is used to make glass cutting tools. And some other useful stones are chalk, graphite, coal and talc. Why we are using chalk, children? Chalk is used to write on blackboards and to make things like lime. And graphite. Graphite is used to make batteries and pencil lead. Then why we are using talc, children? Talc is used to make talcum powder. Then coal is burnt to get heat. Metals. Children, metals are important part of our lives because many things around us are made of metals. For example, iron is used to make gates, grills, furnitures, etc. Then copper. You know what is copper? Copper is a reddish metal used to make electric wires and many other things. And it is mixed with other metals to make brass and bronze. Next, aluminium. Aluminium is a whitish metal used to make foils, utensils, window frames, furnitures, etc. Then gold and silver. Gold and silver are called precious metal. Then they are used to make jewelry. Glass. Children, what are the 3 things used to make glass? Sand, lime and soda. When sand, lime and soda are heated very hard, they melt. When the molten mixture cools, you get glass. Then you know what is crystal? Crystal is a kind of glass that sparkles and it is made by adding a metal called lead. Building houses. Children, in this lesson we learned about how a house is made and the reasons for why people make different types of houses. Then you know who is an architect? A person who designs a house is called architect. Children, what are the different steps to make a house? Laying the foundation is the first step in making a house. It is like the root of a tree. It holds the house firmly to the ground. After foundation, making the walls and pillars. Space is left for windows and doors. After that, making the roof. Concrete is poured to this frame to make the roof. After the walls are made, the electricians and plumbers get to work. They lay the electric lines, water pipes and sewage lines. Sewage lines carry wastewater. And the next step is plastering. You know what is plastering? Plastering means covering the walls and ceiling with a layer of cement, sand and water. Then next step, flooring. And then the walls and ceiling are painted. Then metal or wooden frames are fitted into the walls to make windows and doors. At last, some people fitted grills for safety and screens to keep out insects. Children, why should we build different types of houses in different areas? We build different types of houses in different areas because of natural condition, availability of building materials, space and economic condition. Next, matter and its states. Children, what is matter? Then how do we know what is matter and what is not matter? The stuff that everything is made of is called matter. Anything made of matter occupies space and has weight. Then what are the three states of matter, children? The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gaseous. Children, matter behaves differently in its three states. First, solids. Solids has a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Liquids. Liquids have a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. And gases do not have a fixed shape or fixed volume. Children, matter can change its state. That is solid to liquid, liquid to solid, liquid to gaseous and gaseous to liquid. Solids change into liquids when they are heated and liquids change into solid when they are cooled. Children, what is evaporation? The changing of water or any liquid into its gaseous state is called evaporation. Then what is condensation? The changing of water to its liquid form is called condensation. Children, learn and revise all the lessons and write the given worksheet in a rough note and prepare well for